Hello, it's Mike, NoStressMike.com. Thought I'd talk a little bit about electric vehicles, kind of like my bicycle, electric bike. And I got my little car, and but it's not electric. And but I can see I'm in the market for another car to carry Rex. Rex takes up a lot of space, so I need to find her another car. So I've been looking, and what I've noticed is the price of cars are just plain stupid. I mean, how is people going to pay that kind of money? And the thing is, I can see now it makes sense. I mentioned this before too. 70 years old, man. 70 years old, things start making sense. All the stuff that I've seen all these years, they're starting to make sense now. And one of the things I saw was when I was in China. When I was in China. So last year? Last year I was in China, or the year before, one or the other. And one thing I noticed, and I made some videos about it too when I was over there. I had an electric motorcycle. I was looking to get an electric car, but like I say, I could see they're on to something there in China. But then again, everything's under government control, so they make things go because of the government does. Now here in the United States, they do things by regulations. They regulate everything, and that's how they make. If they want you in business, then the regulations are set up so you can stay in business. If they don't want you in business, they set the regulations to put you out of business. And I've noticed that the electric right now, there's not hardly any regulations on electric bicycles, and I'm sure there's not that much on electric cars. There is compared to China, but there's not that much. And I've noticed there are more electric cars, and I'm thinking this is 2019, and as I'm looking for cars, I've noticed that they got some. They're not really electric yet, but there's a lot of electronic stuff in these cars. In the old days, when you buy a car, you can just plan on anything electronic is going to be the first thing that's going to break. Well, now they've worked pretty good with electronics, and now electronic stuff is going pretty good. They got electronic transmissions, and there's a lot. About all the cars now have got electric windows, and so in other words, electronics is really getting going. I'm going to make a prediction, and I'm going to say by the year 2022, there's going to be some many more electric cars and motorcycles and this type of stuff you're going to see on the road. And the smart ones, right now, it's the big money boys are the ones that are doing all this electronic stuff now. But you're going to see there's going to be lots and lots of electric vehicles on the road by 2022, and they're going to make it where it's more of a feasible option than what it is now. In China, it's another story. They don't let you travel from town to town like they do here in the United States. It's a little bit different the way they have things done. Now here in the United States, once they figure out how to tax these electric vehicles, then you'll see they'll be much easier to get your hands on. And the reason is you don't pay gas tax. Gas tax, you pay for the roads, you pay for all this stuff. And now the electric ones don't. So that means they're going to have to get their money from them somewhere or another. So once they figure out a way to tax it, then it's going to really get going really good. But I would say if your electric vehicle or your gasoline vehicles are going to get to be hard to find here, probably another 20 years. So, but anyway, I just thought I'd mention my thoughts, and we'll see what happens on that. This is Mike, NoStressMike.com.